Students, now we will discuss about the bicameral legislature in India. A bicameral legislature was set up with two houses, Legislative Assembly for runner of the Lok Sabha and the Council of State for runner of Rajya Sabha. So as you can see in this slide, bicameral legislature divided into upper house and lower house, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, and you can also call the Legislative Assembly and Council of State. So now we will discuss about the Legislative Assembly lower house. So in Legislative Assembly there are 145 members, and you can see this chart which shows the members of Legislative Assembly. Yes, Legislative Assembly 145 member, in which 41 nominated and 104 elected. So in 41 nominated, 26 officials and 15 non-officials, and 104 elected, in which 52 generals, 30 Muslims, 9 Europeans, 7 landlords, 4 representative of community, and 2 Sikhs. So in this chart, the nominated members were nominated by the Governor General from Anglo-Indians and Indian Christians. So the members had a tenure of 3 years. Second one is Council of State Upper House. So only male members with the tenure of 5 years. So in Council of States Upper House there are 60 members. Yes, you can see there are 60 members in Council of States, and 27 nominated, 33 elected. So 27 nominated, in which 17 officials and 10 non-officials. And in 33 elected, in which 16 general, 11 Muslims, 3 Europeans and 1 Sikh. So the legislature could ask questions and also vote a part of the budget. Only 25% of the budget was subject to vote. Rest was non-votable. So the bill had to be passed in both houses before it became a law. So students, today we will discuss, we have discussed about the legislature. Tomorrow we will discuss about executive. That's all for today. Have a good day. Stay safe.